Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix Bookings. This powerful tool allows your clients to easily schedule appointments and classes directly from your website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It streamlines your business operations by centralizing your calendar, staff, and client management. You can offer a wide range of services, from individual sessions to large group events, all within one intuitive platform. To begin, you will define the services you offer, whether they are one-on-one appointments or group classes. For each service, specify important details like its duration, price, and maximum capacity. Next, add your staff members and assign them to the services they provide. Remember to customize your booking policies and cancellation rules to ensure a smooth experience for both you and your clients. With your services set up, you can now efficiently manage your schedule. The centralized calendar displays all your bookings, allowing you to easily block out any unavailable times to prevent double bookings. You can also access detailed client profiles, viewing their booking history and contact information. Automated reminders and confirmations can be sent to clients, significantly reducing the number of missed appointments. The final steps involve setting up payments and launching your services. Connect secure payment gateways to accept online payments, offering flexible options like deposits or full upfront payments. Once everything is configured, publish your booking page to make your services available to clients. Don't forget to promote your new booking system across your website and social media channels to attract more customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.